Hey everybody, this is Deb. You don't usually see me, I don't usually show you my face. But this morning I'm going to show you something that occasionally companies send us stuff. And in the beginning we didn't accept any of them, but it's like, what the heck, you know, if somebody's going to give you something, take it, even if it takes 2 trips. This is the new product that was sent to us. It's called, the brand is Saker, and it's a mini electric chainsaw, which when they sent this to me I was excited about it because I've seen ads about these and I thought, well, that'd really be cool, but I don't know if it's something Dawn would want to use or not, but hey, I could use it in the backyard and in the garden. So let's open this bad boy up. So let's see what's in the box. Instructions, that's good. There's the battery. There's the power cord. There's the little chainsaw. Okay, there's the box in case you want to see it. Grab it and take it out of here. It's a pretty cute little thing, isn't it? So, let me put the battery on it and I will get back with you. Well, I put the battery on it. Says it's got a 20-volt battery on it, which is pretty cool. And this is how it works. It's pretty simple, really. You push this button in, and then you press the trigger, and around it goes. So, of course, it has these little precautions on there. So I suppose probably should have read this book before I started playing with it. But you know how people are. We want to get it out and play with it and then break it and then read the instructions. So, but so far, looks like it's going to be a pretty neat little thing.
Well, we got this new little saw sent to us. It's excellent for trimming limbs and stuff. You might want to wear safety glasses, but here's how I'm going to show you. Like, say this limb was in your way and you wanted to use it as a bow hanger. It's pretty quiet. Push the button. There you go. You can hang your bow on that, or you can trim an undesirable limb off. Like say this limb right here. It was out there and you didn't want it out there. Yeah, got a pretty good sized limb. Done deal. And now you got to, but what we're going to do is we're going to cut some trees down, about a dozen. Deb wants to use them for a project at home, and it's, so we're going to cut them down. They're going to be about 6 foot tall, and then she'll show you what she's going to do with them. So here's the size of the tree we're going to cut down. I think we'll see how this cuts this tree off, if it'll cut it off. You can see it's almost at a couple inches round, and we'll see what we can do with it. That's a heck of a little saw. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use that tree about to there. We want it as straight as we can possibly get it. Real easy. Now we're going to make a teepee out of that, but we need about 12 that size. And we'll get him up there.
Well, that thing looks pretty good, don't it?
Yeah, it really saws off fast. And so see, that's what we're going to build them about that high.
Yeah.
It's a great little I'll tell you what,
Has it got a brand name on it?
huh?
It's got a name on it.
Saker, S-A-K-E-R, Saker, S-A-K-E-R. Can you see that?
Car. Yeah.
Okay. Really a handy little tool. And I should be wearing some kind of safety glasses. I don't know, would that matter at the top?
No.
Huh?
No.
Very quiet. We'll get this one here off. I get something in my eye. That'll be an ad for a good reason to have safety glasses on.
You just saw that one down lower so that it'll be fine.
That saw does a good fast job. That's fast. That's 5 of them. Not bad. Then you can backpack that little saw. That saw a pretty good limb down.
Cool. Sawed that off. You know.
Here's something I like about it. come here.
Okay.
Now that's something engineered. Blue. Too many people camouflage outside work products. They ought to make them bright orange, like that chainsaw, and that's blue. So if you lay it down and it's green or some millennial color, you can't find it. These, you walk up there, you know, you ain't gonna see something blue laying on the ground. Good thinking. Anyhow, Shaker, you did a good job on that. And I really like the longevity of how long that battery lasted. I think this is all we need.
Yep.
This is a highly recommended bow hunter, gun hunter Christmas present. Right there.
Father's Day present. Yeah.
Father's Day present, whatever.
Shaker.
It really does the job. And it probably cut deer up too, you know.
Yeah.
So it works pretty good. And like I said, you just seen it cut that much lumber up, which is not a lot in the world, but most bow hunters.
It is for that.
Yeah, you can make your own little blind pretty quiet too,
Yep.
you know.
Yep.
Well, that made fast work for Deb's little project, and we'll follow up on that.